Hello everyone, today we will see how to install Android Studio and Emulator in the Windows machine. Open the Google and search for Android Studio. Click on Android Studio download web page. Select the latest version of Android Studio SDK and download. Agree the terms and condition and continue downloading the Android Studio SDK. You can find below the installation file for other operating systems like Linux, Mac and Chrome OS. Depending on the internet speed, it will take the time to download the setup file for Android Studio. Once the download has been completed, open the setup file. Click Next. Click Next. Click on Finish to start the Android Studio for the first time. If you have already installed Android Studio and want the same configuration, then select the first option and direct to the configuration file location. If you are installing for the first time or if you want a fresh Android Studio installation, then select the second option. Based on your own interest, select the either of choices here. Click Next. Select the theme which you like for your SDK environment. Click Next. Android Studio will download the necessary packages and install. Click Finish. Select New Project. Select Empty Activity. Give the name for the project. Carefully select the name since it's going to be the name of the application. Leave the remaining options as the default and click Finish. When you are opening the Android Studio for the first time, it will download the Gradle which run the development environment, so it will take a while for installing. You can see the status of installation in the bottom left corner. Next we need to create an emulator to run the applications. Select Create Virtual Device. Select one phone model to create the emulator. Download the Android version which you want to install on Emulator. Here I am selecting R. Click Finish. Select the Android image and click Next. Click Finish. Now the emulator is ready to run. When the emulator is starting for the first time it will install the Android image in the start. Hence it will take little time. Now it's the time to run the Hello World program in Android Studio. Here is the output of Hello World.